Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today, for our number talk, we are multiplying the fraction 1/5 and the whole number 350. Now, I know we're multiplying because this word of is what we typically use to point us in the direction of multiplication. So, really, it's 1/5 times 350. If they were both fractions, that'd be pretty easy because we multiply fractions straight across. So, first, one way to think about this would be to reimagine 350 as a fraction. So, let's multiply 1/5 by 350 over 1. Because really, that's 350 ones, which is one way to think of 350 wholes. Any whole number, no matter how big or small, can be turned into a fraction if it is over 1. So now we just multiply straight across. 1 times 350 is 350. 5 times 1 is 5. So I end up with 350 over 5, which means we need to divide up to figure that out. Another way to think about this would be to divide by the reciprocal. So one thing we learn in 6th grade is that when you want to multiply by a fraction, that's the same thing as dividing by its reciprocal. Now, how did I know that 5 is the reciprocal of 1/5? Well, a reciprocal is anything that you can multiply by a number to get it back to 1. Right? So if I wanted to get 1/5 back to 1, I'd have to multiply it by basically itself flipped over. So 1/5 flipped over is 5 over 1, because look what happens now. That's 5 over 5, which makes 1 whole. So this is the reciprocal of 1/5. Now, 5 over 1 is 5 wholes. That's just 5. So when I flip the fraction to its reciprocal, and then I invert the sign from multiplication to its opposite, division, it's the same thing. So you can immediately look at this and say, oh, hey, that's just 350 divided by 5. Even though you don't see 5 there, it's the multiplication and the fraction lets you do that. But either way, we need to divide here. So 5 is going to go into 35. Right, that's just a basic fact. 7 times, and then 5 goes into 0 times. So the answer is 70.